The D.MS tutorials. Working with Microsoft packages.
At the end of this video, this is what we'll be looking at. To prepare PowerPoint slides from lesson notes for presentation, you just have to have your notes ready in Word, and you must be ready to take your points, which are in bulleted forms, and transfer them to slides in PowerPoint. Here I have a lesson that I want to present in a space of 45 minutes. The lesson is on the meaning, scope, and functions of philosophy. These are the points in the notes. So I just have to prepare my slides in a way that it would take that time of 45 minutes. What I do is I go to PowerPoint, which is installed in the system. When you have Microsoft packages installed, you have PowerPoint, Word, Publisher, Access, Excel, all installed in that package. On the PowerPoint windows, when you click it open, you have a default window that comes with a text box that instructs you to click to add title, and another text box that instructs you to click to add subtitle. The first thing I'll do is I'll design my background. I'll design my page background. So I have to delete this text box that says click to add title. Delete the text box that says click to add subtitle also. I am going to format my text box myself to the design tab. There are a lot of designs here you can pick. The design installed with PowerPoint, you can just select them, you know, anyone that appeals to your taste. But I like doing my thing myself, so instead of going to pick any of this, I'll go to the background styles, click the background styles, and pick a plain color. I like black because black contrasts with lighter colors when presenting them as presenting your lecture in PowerPoint presentation slides. So I click. That is that. I have clicked my slide. So everything I'm going to do will appear on a black background. However, I'm still going to design this background. The next thing I'll do is I will go to the insert tab and click the insert text box here. Go to where my note is on Word, click, select the unit and the topic. With your finger on Control, you press the C key also. You've copied. Come back to the PowerPoint slide and Control V. You have pasted. It's now time for you to adjust. I can put this in different text box. I'll cut the unit too and put it in another text box. Deselect the text box. Come here, pick another text box, insert and click and say paste. So I have done this. It's now left for me to now format the font. Pick my font, unit 2, 44, centralize it. Also pick the topic, go to 44 also. You can see that this is bigger. I'll make it enter the slide. Then I can centralize this. So my first slide is ready. What I'll do now is I'll duplicate this first slide. I'll go right click and say duplicate. you notice that I have two slides of the same content. The first slide is what I duplicated here, I replicated here. I will now start entering my lesson notes in bulleted form. You might need to change the font size so that they can come in. I go to my word, pick my definition for philosophy, right click, copy, come to PowerPoint, delete this, or you say paste. You can see that the other slide, the other text box is obliterating what I'm doing, so I have to delete it and then I'll start picking my points in bulleted form. Take this, copy, go to text box, insert text box, come here and put it. Now, because this particular point is a bulleted point, I will need to insert the bullet in this text box. So I come here, click bullet, and voila, it is ready. Copy this bulleted point again and paste. Now, PowerPoint is just there to help you get the points for your presentation. If you look at this slide, this is what it will look like. So I go back to and pick. So what I'll do here is I will need to reduce the font to say 40 so that I could have space in my work. I'm reducing to 36. Let me see how it will appear on this slide. Okay, this is better, at least it's conspicuous. So I'll reduce everything here to 36, so the presentation will be done on font 36. Duplicate this again. This is our third slide. I will give you the reason later why I'm duplicating this. So I go back to Word, pick the third bulleted point, copy and paste as the first here. Copy this also and paste. Remember to save your work as you move on.